Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW X6 in Car Parking Multiplayer. First, launch the game and head straight to the main menu. From there, you'll want to find the New Car option. This is where all the exciting vehicles are waiting for you. Scroll through the impressive selection until you spot the sleek BMW X6. It's usually found among the premium sports utility vehicles. Now, to purchase your dream BMW X6, make sure you have enough in-game currency. This particular model usually requires about 900,000 game dollars. It's a significant investment, but totally worth it for its performance and style. Once you've confirmed the price, simply hit the purchase button to add this fantastic SUV to your personal garage. With your BMW X6 now in your garage, it's time for some personalization. Head over to the Garage menu to explore all the customization options. You can change the paint color to anything you desire, select from dozens of wheel designs, and even adjust the window tint. Don't forget to upgrade the engine and other components for maximum performance on the road. Finally, it's time to take your magnificent BMW X6 for a spin. Select it from your garage and hit the streets. You can explore the vast open-world map, challenge other players in thrilling races, or simply practice your parking skills. Enjoy the smooth handling and powerful engine of your new premium SUV. Have fun cruising around in style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.